Hi, I am Jared. I am a psychotherapist. I mainly work with people with functional neurological disorders and chronic pain. In the past, however, I've worked with people with personality conditions that negatively affected their lives and others with mental health conditions or mental health issues. I want to teach you mindful breathing because this is something that I do every day, 6 to 8 hours, really almost every day. And this is something that you can easily do and practice on your own. I want to also just make sure that you treat this video um, as purely psychoeducational. It is not intended to treat or replace medical or mental health advice. So, in those situations, I strongly encourage you to go seek professional help. Okay, this is not it. But so having said that, if you experience stress and you can't seem to find a way to reduce it, to alleviate it, then this video might be for you. Really, it's just simply practicing this breath work. So mindful breathing, in a nutshell, is just being mindful of how you're breathing. I know it sounds so silly, and it is really quite straightforward in terms of its definition. However, when you look up on, like, Google it up, the process and so forth, I don't think it gives you enough guidance on how to do it and how to do it well and how to do it right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate mindful breathing to you in this video. And then you will hear my voice again, in which I will give you specific instructions on what I am doing when I practice mindful breathing. Okay, so this way you can follow along if you would like. So I think let's start with I'm debating whether 7 or 10 minutes will be good, but let's see if we go for 8. Just yeah, almost 10 minutes here. Let's see if you have 8 minutes to see if that will work for you. Okay, so 8 minutes video to practice mindful breathing. Here we go. First of all, I think what you're going to want to do is to find a comfortable space, a quiet space where you can be, you can practice this. You can be on the floor, you can be on the couch, chair, even on the bed. You can sit, you can lay down. If you lay down, it might be a little easier. So I've had instances with other patients in which it was a little easier laying down. Also, I highly encourage you not to do this when you are driving. Don't do this when you're operating anything too. It's not wise, and please use your best judgment and always be safe. Okay. All right. Now, having said that, let's go ahead and get with the practice. And again, just keep in mind, I will keep talking in here. Although I'll be quiet, but anyway, there'll be a sound. And anyway, let's go. All right. So what you're going to want to do is to notice your breath. And one way to notice your breath is to think about the speed or the intensity of your inhalation and your exhalation. You can direct your attention to your nostrils and then start noticing the speed of your breath there. Notice the sensation of air in your nostrils. You may think of this in terms of the speed of the air as well. Without trying to change anything, just start recognizing how it feels in your body right at your nostrils. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is to notice the slow movement of your torso. Just pay a bit more attention to your chest as your chest slowly rises and gently falls when you inhale and then when you exhale. Okay, now I'd like you to notice the expansion and contraction of your chest when you inhale and exhale. You may even notice how it feels in your body as air enters your lungs. And then notice how it feels in your lungs as air leaves your body. As you slowly put a bit more attention to your breath, you will notice that each inhalation varies in depth, varies in intensity, and that's okay. They're not exactly the same every time. It varies just ever so slightly. Now the same goes for each exhalation. So I want you to notice these variations in the depth of your inhalation and exhalation. Now be careful here because you don't want to feel like you're focusing too much, that it feels like you're working to notice the depth of your inhalation and exhalation. It's possible that you might feel even more stress as you try to do so. So if you notice that you're not really relaxing when you're noticing the depth of your inhalation and exhalation, then you're overdoing it. When that happens, just let go of that, what you're doing, let go of that thought, and just start to feel your body, feel the air in your nostrils. That can make it a bit easier. You can also notice the gentle movement of your body. When you breathe in, and then when you breathe out. You're not doing anything in particular as you breathe in and breathe out, but just being aware how your body is moving. I want you to notice this sensation of gentleness as you notice the gentle movements of your body. And you do this, or you're able to do this just a bit more when you think about it in terms of the stillness of your body. So go ahead, think about how your body has been still. Just overall. And then think about how your body is moving slowly. And just feel your body. Now you can also go ahead and notice any tendency to inhale right away, just right after you exhale. And then notice any tendency to exhale right away after you inhale. You're not making any correction or changes to this for now. All that you're doing is to be aware that this is happening. You can even apply a sense of curiosity as you notice these sensations in your body. And next, I want you to notice an overall sense of coming down, a sense of as if you are being pulled down by gravity when you exhale. You'll notice this right around your neck, shoulders, or your sides, and your torso. It will feel as though gravity is pulling you down and you're sinking further into the seat. Alright, so that's mindful breathing. I feel definitely relaxed. I feel bad because I have a thermistor right here. I should have measured my temperature for biofeedback because my hands definitely feel a lot warmer. And yeah, quite a powerful technique to feel calm, feel relaxed. And yeah, maybe next time I'll use a biofeedback device, but that'll be for next time. I'll see you again. Whew. Oh. Yay! What do I do? I think I'm done. Done.